video, I'm going to show you all some of the finds that I found, some of the designer finds that your girl found at my local thrift store with my son's assistance in helping me choose the right bag for me. Welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Source. It's your girl, Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back, fam. This is your first time clicking on my video and you have not already done so. I hope that you consider sticking around by subscribing to my channel if you like any and everything about sewing. I'm talking about hauls, pattern hauls, fabric hauls, thrift hauls, me-made reveals, behind the scene, and any other sewing content that I create here in my sewing room. In addition, if you like pattern sales, fabric sales announcement, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button to help YouTube be able to push my videos out to others within the sewing and crafting community. Welcome new subscribers to the channel. I'm so glad that you all decided to join the fam. Thank you all so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And once again, return to watch another video with your girl, Denise. All right, everyone. In today's video, I got my notes again. In today's video, my family and I had an opportunity to stop at one of my favorite thrift stores located in Rock Hill, South Carolina. It's called Tender Heart Thrift Store. While in the area, for those who are unfamiliar, we used to live in York County in the suburbs, and now we live out here in our homestead. One of the locations I always enjoy going back to York County and just seeing what amazing thrift finds I can find while I'm in the area. Now, if you ask my youngest, he'll tell you that's one of his favorite locations. That's one of my favorite locations to go back, shop through, all the above. And I'm going to show you all some of the finds that I actually purchased from some of the designer finds that your girl found at my local thrift store with my son's assistance in helping me choose the right bag for me. If you love thrifting for labels on a budget, you'll want to see this particular finds that I have. I have a Michael Kors bag. In addition, I have a Vera Bradley turnkey wallet. Let's get into this haul. All right, up first would be the Vera Bradley turnkey wallet. This cutie right here, I purchased it from Tender Heart Thrift Store for only $5, y'all. $5 only. Let me show you it. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. Y'all know what? I have had this for a while, and your girl has never done the haul for it. So y'all finally get a chance to see. So, turnkey. I love the fact that this. I'm sure the insides. You can put 2 of your photo IDs. A lot of area for storage. In addition, you can put your cards here. And not only that, it has additional storage in the zipper. In the zipper area. You have more cards. I put some bills here, whatever else I want to. There's more than enough storage space in this turnkey wallet. In addition, there's a zipper portion for my change that I may need when I go out and go shopping. All right, everyone, which I don't do a whole lot of that unless it's fabric shopping, pattern shopping, or thrifting, everyone. All right, so once again, this is my Vera Bradley turnkey wallet that I purchased from Tender Heart Thrift Store for only $5, y'all. Don't sleep on the thrift stores. I'm telling you, find some amazing finds from time to time. It's one of the ones that my youngest son told his mom that I needed to get. Now, I had 2 options. I had the option of getting the Michael Kors bag or the Steve Madden backpack. Well, once I was done being told the benefits of purchasing one that I purchased, I ended up grabbing, which one y'all think? Was it the Steve Madden or was it the Michael Kors? As you can saw from earlier, I said the what? Michael Kors. Now, let me tell you the small print of that. Your girl only paid $12 for it, y'all. Check it out. My very first Michael Kors bag that I found at a thrift store. Don't sleep on the thrift stores. I mean, they have some amazing finds. So here we go. I'm going to show you all it. Thank you to my youngest son for convincing me to grab this bag because your girl was going to go with the backpack. I have checked to see if it's authentic, and it is. I even have the label of it with the AP number. So, y'all, I'm telling you, the lining, hopefully you all can see in here. The chain. I mean, everything is absolutely beautiful. Now, when I did purchase it, it had some stains in the lining. My youngest son cleaned it up for his mom. And I'm telling y'all, I absolutely love this bag. You ain't better tell me nothing walking with it. Enjoying my first MK bag. Along with my Vera Bradley turnkey wallet as well, everyone. I have enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of quick, short, simple, and sweet to the point. But your girl want to go back there doing what I was doing, just relaxing. Well, I love finding secondhand treasures that still have so much life left in them. For example, the Michael K. purse that someone was lucky enough to donate to Tender Heart Thrift Store. And I was convinced by my youngest son and the sales lady behind to purchase the MK bag. Thank you. In addition to Vera Bradley, whoever donated this as well, I appreciate you as well. All right, I love finding secondhand treasures that still have so much life left in them. Let me know in the comment section, what is the best designer brand you've ever found at a thrift store? All right, everyone. My motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewers. Thank you all so much in advance for watching. Have an amazing day, night, weekend, or whatever time you're watching my video. Your girl Denise the Sloth Sewers. We'll see you on my next video coming your way Wednesday at 9 p.m. EDT time. Thank y'all so much. Bye-bye. Have an amazing day.